Hi friends, Ben back again with another product. This time what we have is the riding jeans. Denims have been a big hit with me. I ride most of my time with denims is because I'm a fashion designer myself. I used to make these garments. I used to make riding jackets, riding trousers for a really long time in my life earlier on. 10-12 years ago, when the biking scene was completely new in Chennai, I was involved in this business. I used to make clothing with armor, that is stitched inbuilt armor. What we have today is a pair of jeans, and it's a very different jean if you ask me. So what and how is a riding pant or riding jean different from the regular denim? This is something that you would not get to see in a regular denim. These are contoured panels to suit the riding posture to begin with, number one. Number two, you have these dedicated pockets. If you see, this falls at your hip, and you have a hip armor. Again, when we fall, when we slide on the motorcycles, the 90% of the times where you get hit is your hip. This area gets hit terribly, and for that, these motorcycle jeans are engineered with lovely hip armors, flexi foam, and type level 2 protectors. Again, quite porous if you ask me, just so that it doesn't retain heat, and at the same time does the job. Acts more like memory foam. So if I were to press on it hard and release it, it comes back. The dampening is pretty decent. The rebound dampening is pretty decent. Another dedicated protector for the knee from the front. So the armors go into a dedicated slot in the front, and this is accessible for the rider without reversing the jacket, whereas the armor on the hip goes inside into a pouch, into a bag like that. Now if you talk about denims, how are denims more advantageous compared to a riding pant, a dedicated riding pant? The number one difference, if you ask me, is comfort. These are far more comfortable to use on the roads and off the roads as well. And if you were to have a day where you have riding happen for a certain amount of the day, and then you have to come back and do your regular chores, you don't have to shift to another dress. You can go flaunt your jeans throughout the day. That's about it. Pretty simple. Can be worn throughout the length of the day and also be taken on rides. So that is why I personally prefer jeans. I have my jeans, I have engineered my jeans in such a way that I have my armors installed in my jeans. I have foam armors, but these are far better level 2 protectors, dedicated protectors. But then the catch is, why do I prefer denims over riding pants? Is because these are universal. These are far more versatile. These can be worn pretty much everywhere and anywhere, and you don't have to shift costumes. Only downside to denims is this fabric, the main denim fabric, doesn't have as much of abrasion resistance as a dedicated fabric, a textile for riding like Cordura. These things cannot take that kind of a beating. But if you were to do regular city rides and if you anticipate danger, these will definitely come in handy. And a pair of jeans, denims last a really long time too. So that's riding pants for you guys, and hope you liked what you saw. Moto Gear has plenty of options of them, all sizes. Come and check this out and get yourself a pair. Retails for as less as 6,100. A regular pair of jeans in the market sells for nothing less than 2,500. So if you guys want a dedicated pair of jeans for riding, then 6,100 is a very decent asking price if you ask me. And that is something that I would highly recommend that all of you guys get, and be safe on the roads. So if you like the video, kindly do subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you on another one. Ciao.